Hello guys, welcome back to me.
Yeah, well, that's
Video.
sure would be a big
Help.
help.
Video.
You made it all the way back up here.
So I'm trying to do another night.
I'll show you. I'm going.
And
No,
see this thing.
I'm sorry, but the electricity you're going is up to that surface.
9:40. And it's very oh my god. She's like so crazy.
Barbara, what if I were to
She
tell
does it
you
all the time. So
that if I can't stop the
doing a
gasoline
movie.
down there in a few hours,
we're
you're
doing a
flood this whole
movie and
complex with
it's
sodium
probably
hydroxide.
night. Get it? No. It's dark over there.
Guys, we got a little change of plan here. I have
There's
Barbara
two
Spencer on my hands.
It's really
She's coming
dark.
with me.
And we're watching another
Any
one.
idea what set the blasts off?
So
No, so Sunday really had time to make it past the electronics lab before that exploded.
Huh? Students lab, bio lab, electronics. See, you all these
Bebe, kiss ko, be. Sige. Slow down, slow down, slow down.
stairs.
Be, kiss ko ba? Kiss mo, kiss mo. Uy,
Stairs. Oh.
Kiss mo.
There's a little dad. My grandma and my kuya. Oh, my kuya's running
Oh,
there.
that's the first episode of MacGyver.
Yeah, it says first there, so first. See that, guys? Oh, my goodness! What happened to you? Yeah, I'm making the video now. Okay, there. Okay, my dad is watching. What's wrong? My kuya's there. Let me tickle you. Let me tickle you. You silly little boy, I'm gonna pinch you. Say hi. Say hi. Say boo.
I don't see how that's possible. They're all independent.
Just where you came up.
Yes.
Hey,
Oh, we need to let's see what's that. Oh my goodness. We're gonna have a lunch break.
Yeah, no?
So I'm not good at this. No snacks? Why no snacks? Knick-knack. I'm dead. Oh my goodness. Oh,
Around here for series of airlocks for the common lab that won't be sensitive
we
gases.
have the screen. Where
you
the
got
third.
20 hours and 27 minutes, man. How Spencer over here? She likes my name. Or could ask him.
It's chocolate.
Want one of these?
No thanks.
See that thing?
How can you think about eating
Louis, close the windows there.
Chances of us getting out
This
alive.
one.
Louis, window.
I thought we might be
Go.
able to store up on the
We're
ladder.
gonna turn it.
Let's go.
There.
Strange.
What's that?
It
Airlocks along the
says
corridor designed to close at any
off, low, high, or message. Message, yeah, and then lower. Oh. Let's see how far this now to be. Excuse.
Nina, abi na, be. 30 minutes.
Poor cat. The kitty cat. Oh, she's so cute.
We have a track down here on the intercom. It's gone off on off. They know we're here. So they're trying to get to us. With all the damage on the upper levels, it's
There.
no.
So, goodbye. I'm gonna stop because it's already night. Tomorrow I'll make a full video. So goodbye. I'll do this on the next day, like tomorrow. So today is kind of Friday, so January
No, I sure don't.
4. No, 5. So tomorrow's 6. So I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, Colson, I don't think we can fix
I'll
it
make a
just
food
yet.
video tomorrow. Goodbye.
Okay?